to my channel. Today I'm doing Pad Thai and I will show you the ingredients. Pad Thai ingredients: cooking oil, yellow tofu, pickled radish, dry shrimp, ground peanuts, noodles, egg, bean sprouts, chives, Pad Thai sauce, and Pad Thai sauce ingredient has palm sugar, tamarind juice, fish sauce. They got this vegetables to eat with this Pad Thai, and the rest is the vegetables, but it is a lamb. We need to squeeze it into here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and bell. See ya!